Everybody, here is a video of Cali and Mozart's puppies, born July 17th. They're in the 4th week now. Yeah, on solids, doing very well. I'll probably be able to just give it to them loose by the weekend. I'm waiting for the teeth to pop out, which is going to be any day now. You can feel the little buds in their mouths, and they're playing and just genuinely being little puppies. So they're pretty well weaned off mom. She does go in occasionally, but more to inspect and look for some of their food. So that's normal. Of course they want her, but that's nature. She's moving on, or has pretty well 95% moved on. So it's all in the nature of things. Actually, there'll be 5 weeks on Tuesday, so yeah, they're 4.5 weeks. So I'm hoping to catch them playing. Oh, and pooping as well. But they pretty well do their business on one side, as you can see my setup, and play and sleep on them on the side. So as we see, there's Diego, my male, staying out of the way. Very smart guy, eh? Those pesky puppies. Okay, as you can see, these guys will all go silver. They look, let me just see, I'll show you a little close up. When I pull the hair back, see how it's dark underneath, see? See how it's black underneath that white? Well, that will all come through in the next few weeks. You see? There. And that's going to change. You little cutie pie. So there you go. Every week the videos will get more and more exciting. So they're all kind of doing their own thing right now. I'll be able to leave their collars on by next week, for sure, by the weekend probably. Oh, there's a good tussle. Looks like Mr. Navy Blue, and who's the other culprit? Let's see. Okay. Is that Mr. Blue Tartan? Let me see that. Yes, it is. So, and then all of a sudden they'll fall asleep. Okay, well. Lots of action. They're very cute right now. It's a cutie stage. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I think they're winding down. It's nap time now. Okay, bye-bye.